Jack, we all know how important Dora is to you. She's been a rock, a heavy, heavy rock in your life for a long time now. Teachers and students have been more than willing to accommodate your special addiction problem, interest. We've all turned a blind eye to the backpack, the lunchbox, the drink bottle, the map. But lately, you've just taken it a bit too far. Every time you say the "Ola soy Dora" thing, or to be frank, people want to kill you. I mean, there was the time in science when we had to evacuate the whole school. Then there was the Naplan incident.
Okay, class. We are about to commence the test. You will have 3.5 minutes which to complete the test, and if you fail, you will die miserably in the gutter. You may commence the test. You have 30 seconds remaining in which to save yourself from the gutter.
Hola! 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 Soy Dora!
So, moving forward, I trust you can agree to immediately stop these monstrous impersonations. Jack? Jack? Jack! No!
Soy Dora!
No!
Okay, girls. Here comes that little Dora boy. Chips ready? Aim. Fire!
Oh, I'm a bit hungry. Wouldn't mind a bit of a snack. Oh, what's that?